to stay healthy and grow smart. Or D, to skip meals. Again, why is proper nutrition important? A, to gain weight. B, to avoid food. Letter C,
Go nursing. Wise.
Letter D, to skip meals.
Okay, illustration goes up. Okay, very good. Everyone got the correct answer. Now, let us recap the score for our easy category.
Dako bang yan sa labador kay gingambal ko nung kinanglan sa cheese. Yan.
Dito ba pang kitchen items for 2 points?
Subong ka mo kapangita. Tas ang palok yun. Di kami manok katika modum di pas.
Ano yung sampalok? Kalain ta na manok nga sampalok ah. Mas mayad pa nagiluto mo sa butong sa
Tinola.
Okay, for our grade 12 youths got 13 points.
Sana all.
TVL 11 got 9
O
points.
chika pune pasa ko natin.
Grade 11 youths got 12 points. And our nursing aid batch 1 got 11 points. For our easy category, leading ang atong grade 12 youths. So again, next category natin is typical crown, consists of 59 2 points each.
Okay, first question in the difficult round. Which vitamin helps absorb calcium in the body? A, vitamin A. B, vitamin B12.
Stress na, stress.
Or D, vitamin A.
Takway.
Bila na, tagbila na.
Babay, kailangan ka ba ite?
Absorb calcium in the body.
Ay, di
A, vitamin A. B, vitamin B12. C, vitamin D.
Dito nga, puro ko ginaman. Amo na kayo, amo gini. Kwanete nun natin.
Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry.
Okay, illustration boards up. Answer is letter C. Okay, SSC, pakita ang wala sa gate dito, kasi may nagagawas.
C, again, which deficiency is
Nursing aid batch 1.
Okay, next question.
Wow, Powell ba? Powell?
Okay, letter D. Okay, itaas na answer sa letter D. Itaas muna.
Ulate.
Ang B.
Ayos ko lang nanay na.
Grade 12.
Pwede mag-gown?
Tag 5 isa.
Wow, tag-5 daw.
Are, tag ano siya? Tag 15 isa. 15 isa.
Hindi na ni press. Oh.
Nag-iisa. 15 ganun. Ano ang amoy niya ba, Rohilo? Bukan na ako na.
Grade 12 video rubber and grade 11 Yums got the correct answer. Okay, kung sino ang nagulak?
C, water